सो डेटाबेसेस बेसिकली दो तरह के होते हैं, रिलेशनल डेटाबेसेस एंड नॉन रिलेशनल डेटाबेसेस। तो रिलेशनल डेटाबेसेस में आता है mySQL एंड नॉन रिलेशनल डेटाबेस में आता है MongoDB। ओके, तो रिलेशनल डेटाबेसेस के बारे में हम पढ़ रहे हैं। तो लास्ट वीडियो में जो मैंने बताया था कि कैसे डाउनलोड एंड इंस्टॉल करते हैं, वो होता है रिलेशनल डेटाबेस mySQL। तो इस प्लेलिस्ट में जो भी वीडियोस मैं डालूंगा वो सिर्फ mySQL के बारे में होगा। तो आपने अगर मेरा प्लेलिस्ट एक्सेस नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ कर लीजिए एक्सेस और वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। तो इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि कैसे CRUD ऑपरेशंस करते हैं। CRUD ऑपरेशंस एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ होता है डेटाबेस में। ओके, तो ये जानना बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है एक्चुअली। और चलते हैं, शुरू करते हैं। सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ओपन mySQL command line interface. Okay, so you can do with mySQL workbench also, but I like command line client. Okay, that's why I prefer this one. Okay, so in this command line interface, first of all you have to enter your password. Once you enter your password, you have to you get access to your server. Okay, then first command that I will create is create database. So basically what this command will do is it will create a new database in our server. Okay, so you have to provide one argument for the database name. So the name that I will give for the database is room rent database. Okay, so basically you have to give semicolon at the end, else it won't work. So as you can see here, it has created a room rent database here. Create database. So basically you have to be careful about the syntax here, else it will throw error. So be careful of the keywords in mySQL. Okay, and now our next step is drop database. Okay, so basically what drop database does is like so I have created room rent database, right? So now I can delete the database as well. So I will write drop database. Which database? Room rent database. Okay, so once you execute this command, it will drop the database. Okay, so our next command is show database. Okay, show databases. Okay, so be careful about the keywords. We have to also provide the colon over here, and it will show all the databases that are present in the server now. Okay, so as we can see, my databases are hotel information schema, mySQL performance schema, Pratik DB, SES. Okay, so these are the databases that is present in my server. So the next database, so the next command that I'm going to talk about is create table. Okay, create table. So what this command will do is like it will create a new table. Okay, so it will create a new table inside the database. Okay, create table. What will be the table name? Name is, suppose I will give the table name as room rent tenants. So basically it is throwing an error. Okay, it is telling that no database selected. So what you have to do is, in order to create a table, you have to be inside one database. Okay, so first of all you have to go to one database. So basically how you will do it is use. It is a keyword. Okay, use. So first I will create a database. Create database room rent data. Okay, so in this database all the information will be stored. So now if I write show databases, it will show the room rent data. Okay, so you can see that the database is created. Now I have to switch to this room rent data. Okay, so how I will do this is use room rent data. So this command, what it will do is it will get inside room rent database. Okay, so as you can see, when I hit enter, the database is changed. Okay, so now it is inside the room rent database. Okay, so now I will create a table here. So create table. So these are keywords, guys, please remember these are keywords. Okay, create table room rent tenants. Okay, okay, so it is telling that it should have one column. Okay, so you have to provide basically column names. So how it will do it? So you create table room rent tenants. You have to use one parenthesis here. Inside the parenthesis you will have to enter some column names. Okay, so basically name I will provide, profession I will provide, gender I will provide, and then I will provide type of tenant. Okay, so basically you have to specify the data type as well. So name will be varchar here. Okay, so what is varchar? So this I will explain in the next video. Okay, so for now let's focus on how you can create some tables. Okay, name varchar, so it will be like 100 characters. Profession, and also you can provide like not null. Okay, profession will be varchar, it will be also 100, and it will be not null. So not null basically means this field cannot be like empty. Okay, gender, it will be varchar. So this will also have 100 character limit. It will also be not null. And the next type is type of tenant. So this will be also varchar. okay, and the limit is 100, okay. It will be not null, okay. So now I will hit the enter. So basically it has created a table, okay. It has created a table inside the database room rent data, okay. So now what I will do is I will show you the table, okay. For showing the table, basically you have to write describe table. You have to input the table name as well. So what is the table name? Table name is room rent data. This is the table name. So you have to so basically you have to write the table name here, describe table. So here I have done one mistake. I have given the database name. Room rent data is the database name, but you have to write the table name. So the table name is room rent tenants. Room rent tenants, okay. So once you so basically you have to write room rent table, okay. Okay, so basically, sorry guys, I have done one mistake here, that describe table. So if you want to see the table details, right, so don't write describe table, okay, only write describe room rent tenants, okay. Describe the keyword and just write the table name here and it will show the table, okay. So as you can see here, I have defined the data over here, name, profession, gender, okay. So now I can I can make some entries in the database by the name of name, profession, gender. So for that, what I will write is alter table, okay. Alter table. So basically what this command will do is it will add one more column, alter table room rent tenant. So basically it will add one column in the existing row, room rent tenants, okay. After this one you have to write the column name, okay. Add you have to write. After writing add, you have to write age. Suppose I want to include one column age, and it will be int, not null. So it has included one column. Do you want to verify it? So if you want to verify it, just describe, use describe room rent tenants. So you can see age is included here in the table, okay. So now I want to insert, okay. Now what is inside this table, right? There is no data, name is not there, profession is not there, nothing is there. It's like an empty room, okay. No one is there inside the room. So I will just insert some data. So insert into. So this is a query or like keyword for inserting some data in the table. Insert into. Then you have to write your table name, room rent tenant. Okay. then you have to write, you have to include parenthesis here. Okay, then you have to input the name, profession, gender, type of tenant, age, and you have to also input the value. So value is a keyword. Okay, so value you have to insert, right? So what is the name? Name is Pratik Bhaumik. Okay, so be careful that you have to use single quotes here, Pratik Bhaumik. Okay, then the next one is profession is software developer. Okay, and the next one, profession is, gender is male, and the next one, type of tenant is bachelor, and the next one is age is 27. Okay, so this is one. So age is int. Okay, so basically you don't have to provide any quote here. So if I hit enter, it will update the table and make some entries. Okay, so now I want to see, I want to verify if entry is properly made. How you will do that? Select star from room rent tenant. So basically this command will show you the details, entries of the table. Okay, so basically as you can see here, name, profession, gender, male, name, it is the same as I have written over here, right? So basically these are some of the commands. You can also write select name from room rent tenants. It will return the name. Okay, so basically you can replace the star with the particular value, right? So in this way, like, you can play around with mySQL thing. So let me just do a recap what we have learned in this session. Okay, so first of all, you can do this in so first command that we have talked about is create. Okay, create database, room rent database. Okay, so this is the first command that we have learned. It will help to create a new database. Second command is drop database. Okay, so drop database will delete the database from the server. Okay, and the third command is use database. Use command will actually help you to go inside the particular database. And the next command is that we have learned is this create table. Okay, create table room rent tenants. So this command will basically help you to create a new table under the database. Okay, and the next command that we have learned is describe table room rent data. So basically this command will basically help you to verify the contents of the details in the table. Okay, and the next command that we learned is alter table room rent. Okay, this command. Okay, so basically this will just make some changes in the existing table and add a new column over here. And the next command is like insert into this one. Okay, this command basically helps us to insert entries into the table. Okay, the next command that is there is we have to verify the contents of the table, right? So for that you can do select star from these things. Okay, so these are some of the commands that we have learned today. In the next video I will talk about much more interesting commands that is there in the SQL. So I hope that you have understood these commands. If you have any doubts or queries regarding this, comment down below what is your doubt. I will definitely reply your doubts. And also don't forget to like this video. Please like this video more and more and share this video with your friends. Okay, so I hope that the basic CRUD commands today we have seen how to manipulate the data in the server. So I hope that this video is extremely helpful. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.